Hi, welcome back to the Shadow Chef. If you're coming in hot from one of my previous videos, then I need no introduction. However, if this is your first time on my channel, g'day, I'm Matt Jordan, and spoiler alert, I am not a professional chef. Today, we're going back to my roots. If you've watched any of my earlier videos, then you'll know that the Shadow Chef started as a series of timed challenges whereby I'd be cooking against UK MasterChef professionals. Today, we're going to answer the pressing question from season 10 of MasterChef Australia. How the fuck Sashi has 2 immunity pin challenge wins. Homeboy is dripping in bling right now, and I want to get to the bottom of how he won those 2 immunity challenges. So, first up, we're going to be cooking Sashi's duck vegetable curry, which was his first win, and that was during Gordon Ramsay week, which was about 3 weeks, I think it was about 3 weeks ago. Sashi had 75 minutes to create this incredible dish, so we're going to time today's challenge, and I think we can get it done in under 75 minutes. Let's get started. Duck and vegetable curry. We got it done in 69 minutes. I think we actually would have got it done faster had there not been a fuck up with the duck, and also with the size of the potatoes. Yeah, I cut the potatoes way too small for this. And then obviously I had to scoop and strain them out of the curry sauce, which probably took an extra 5 minutes. One thing I will say was the recipe said to cook the duck for, I think, 10 to 15 minutes. We ended up having to cook it for a little bit longer because it wasn't completely cooked through. There's also one thing to note. The first instruction in the recipe says to turn the oven on and set it to 180, but nowhere else in the recipe is the oven referred to again. So I'm assuming that after you've cooked the duck, then you're actually resting it in the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes to let it kind of like slowly cook through. It was the only logical explanation as to why they'd suggested, why the recipe called for the oven to be turned on. I guess with the duck, the thickness of your duck will also determine, how long it cooks for. I don't know how big Sashi's pieces of duck were. I had kind of like juicy, big sort of fat pieces from Aldi, which, shout out to Aldi though, $10 for 2 duck pieces are incredible, and the duck looks really beautiful as well. This video is not sponsored by Aldi, but if Aldi would like to sponsor, get in contact. So alright, we're gonna just give this a crack. I don't really know what to try first. Try the curry first, with the itsy bitsy teeny weeny pieces of potato. Yeah, it's pretty fucking beautiful. Yum. Alright, let's get a bit of that duck in the gob. The duck cooked perfectly. This curry paste is, yeah, it's incredible. Little cherry tomatoes add like a hint of sweetness. Really beautiful, nice counterbalance to the curry sauce. The curry sauce is such a winner. It's like literally singing in my mouth. You can really taste the tamarind. It's beautiful. Well, it's quite light. And the lemongrass as well. There's a really subtle undertone of lemongrass. I you can taste all the herbs. The potatoes would have been one of the big stars of this recipe, but as you saw, like I fucked that up and diced them into tiny hash brown sized pieces of potato. So it doesn't. You don't really get that beautiful crisp roast or pan fried duck fat potato deliciousness in this, but everything else is pretty amazing. This was an immunity pin, well earned. I'll give this, look, fuck it, I'm gonna give it 5 out of 5 because I think it's pretty amazing that someone like me, who like a home cook like Sashi, created this incredible dish like in 75 minutes, even though I did it in 69 minutes. Congratulations, Sashi. That was well-earned motherfucking bling. Well, I can't say motherfucking, can I? Congratulations, Sashi. That was well-earned bling. Beautiful, beautiful dish. Congratulations. I can't wait to cook your lamb. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more, then hit subscribe because we've got Sashi's lamb roast coming up next. Peace out.